Are your Windows View Available Networks UI apps crashing due to the Van Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. Before we get into the manual guide for Van Library, you can try the suggested utility for improving overall system health. This is the Van Library, the Virtual Area Network, Van, shim. It provides unmanaged routines for peer-to-peer data link retrieval and virtualized network tunneling, often used in specialized multiplayer game launchers or private network emulators to bridge local traffic to a virtual remote adapter. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. When a core file like Van Library DLL is missing, it's best to let Windows perform a self-repair. Access an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan now to synchronize and restore any damaged or missing system-level files. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Van Library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. It is important to avoid manual installation of Van Library DLL if you are not a technical expert. One wrong move in your system directory can prevent your computer from booting entirely and result in data loss. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. If registry clutter or Van Library inconsistencies are suspected, the maintenance tool below offers general documentation. To support our technical team and receive updates on Van Library resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.